Let's face it, managing a yacht or a fleet of vessels these days is no simple task. The everyday duties of management and maintenance are intensive, yet essential. Staying compliant by keeping track of hundreds of yacht and crew documents, maintaining your safety manuals, ensuring safety forms and checklists are completed, drills are performed, equipment maintenance is done, tracking crew, guests, and trips gets complicated unless it's all in one centralized location. So, you may be wondering, what is ManageMyVessel.com and how can we help you? It's actually quite simple. We are a web-based system that allows you to take complete control of managing your fleet of vessels. One place to organize, manage, and store everything related to your fleet, which can be accessed anytime and anywhere. Vessel management made simple. With Manage My Vessel, flag states audits are dramatically simplified, and best of all, everything is automated. Let me explain. We provide the management company with one portal to effectively manage your entire fleet. For management companies, Manage My Vessel is the tool they use to set up and track all important crew and vessel documentation, maintain safety manuals electronically, and design and administer electronic forms across the fleet. Fleet reporting allows fleet managers to consolidate important information. Smart alerts and workflows notify users about any action items that need to be performed across the fleet. Users will know exactly when documents and forms are missing, are due to expire, have been updated, or require a survey. In addition, each vessel will have their very own portal for crew members to use. For crew, Manage My Vessel is the tool they use to access their documents, manage their time leave, hours of rest, access their safety manuals, and electronically submit forms and checklists. They can also maintain their equipment, planned maintenance schedules and inventory items, track vendor jobs and tasks, complete drills, track guests and trips. There is so much more, but we just can't squeeze it into this video. To see more of Manage My Vessel's features, click to schedule a demonstration. Not a part of a management company? No problem. Manage My Vessel has tailored plans for individuals who manage their own yacht too. Just click on our plans page and pick the plan that works for you.